Alrighty everyone, we are back with week 23 of GoMining solo mining. Of course, we're still sitting at 3 miners, technically 2 with the bonus miner, 215 terahash, 20 watts of terahash with a beautiful 5.95% discount. So before we get into the total Bitcoin rewards, I'm just going to quickly come on over here to this little present. We're going to click on that. We're going to go down and we're going to go to the bounty program. Everyone should be doing this on the weekly reset. You're going to want to come down, click on this YouTube video, go to YouTube. I just click mute and then I come right back here. Now, after that video has been watched, you will then get 1 point as a reward, and by doing so you will have completed it, thus earning you some GMT for completing said bounties. Now of course, depending what you do, it'll change the amount. If you get like 1 point, you're probably going to get like very low amount. Get like 50 to 100 points, then yeah, you might get a big reward, but it all depends. Either way, every week on Tuesday you should always be coming here, clicking on the bounty program, scrolling down, watching this YouTube video, and now it's already been completed, so I'm just going to quickly close this. I don't even think the video has been done. And obviously as well, if you have a Twitter account, make sure you connect that. You can get anywhere from 2 to 320 points per day, which is going to get you way more GMT. Also, if you have a Telegram, you might as well be doing both these. Not to mention doing referrals. If you have a referral, you might as well use it. If you have a friend that wants to start mining and you already are mining, tell him to use your referral, and if he doesn't end up purchasing it, well, you still get 1 point. If he does make a purchase, well, you get 50 points. Same thing goes for when you guys use my referral link. You guys help me get 1 point, or if you actually do make a purchase, you help me get 50 points, and I appreciate it. So now, back to the actual Bitcoin rewards. Our total is 0.0309737 Bitcoin. Beautiful. Almost at 0.031 now. It says it's worth $3,514.81. Let's see exactly what it is in our handy dandy converter. $3,506.41. All right, so we're off by $8. Not bad. That's okay. Bitcoin did just drop a little bit. This probably hasn't updated, but either way, look at this. Look at these curves. Look at these curves. You want to know what these curves are from? These are from you guys. These are from you guys, and I appreciate it more than anything. And the reason why these are because of you guys, because I am now getting some extra GMT to pay for my electricity and service fees, because there's a few ballers out there. There's a few ballers out there that are actually purchasing miners and mining Bitcoin for themselves, which is amazing because, hey, everyone should be stacking some Bitcoin, especially because it's a hedge against inflation. If you're just holding money, it just goes down in value. So for September 23rd to September 29th, we mined a total of 0.00050250 Bitcoin. Look at that number. I love it. I love it. What do we think it's going to be? I'm going to say $50 or so. $52. Let's take a guess. 56. I love it. I love it. That's amazing. That is amazing. Stacking those Satoshis, man. Stacking these Satoshis. Now, I know this can also be a little bit confusing just because you see all these different numbers and it switches from GoMining to Bitcoin. And then this one here, it has both. But one thing most people don't actually know is if you click on this, it'll actually go into detail on how you got your sats. This one right here, you can see not enough GoMining on your virtual wallet to pay for maintenance fees, which means this miner paid for maintenance fees with the Bitcoin, and this one here ended up paying for the maintenance fees in the GoMining and GMT tokens. And if you actually want to go more into detail, you can click on this and it'll actually show everything. This will be for another video, but it breaks down how your actual rewards are distributed and calculated. And if you actually want to get started mining Bitcoin, now if you want to start mining Bitcoin, my referral link will be down in the description below, because you will earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase if you use my referral link. Now you can always get started for the smallest amount of 1 terahash at 20 watts of terahash for $23.99, and you'll be making 1 penny a day, but you'll also get an extra 0.05 terahash if you use my referral link, because you get an extra 5%. Or if you want to be making a little bit more money, because you have the money for it, well, you can get the 96 terahash one. You're going to get an extra 4.8 terahash with it, because that's 5%, and you're going to be making $1.85 a day. It is going to cost you $2,083.99, but you are going to be getting an ROI of 32%, which is already 3 times higher than the average return in the stock market. So my opinion is crypto mining over the stock market, but everyone's got a difference. Or if you're a big boy baller, you want to buy 5,000 terahash. I'm actually not sure if they will give you an extra 5% on 5,000 terahash, because the miner boxes can only go up to 5,000 terahash. But there is a chance they'll just give you an extra miner with 250 terahash on it, because that's 5% of 5,000 terahash. And if you are the big boy baller going with the 5,000 terahash, you might as well just lower the energy efficiency to 15 watts of terahash, so you're paying less for electricity. And now it is going to cost you, wow, look at that, $122,700 $335.99. Last week, this was $136,000. Not sure about you guys, but seems like they have a sale going on. $14,000 off on the 5,000 terahash miner for a brand new one. Use my referral link down in the description below. You get an extra 5% with it. That's an extra 250 terahash. 250 terahash alone is $6.40 a day. $2,333.68 a year extra just for using referral link. But you know, the 5,000 terahash miner alone is $46,000 a year. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's a full-time job. Daily, $126. That's full-time paying, also on the weekends. Now, this is not financial advice, but if you are not investing in anything, if you're just holding your money, then that is the worst financial thing you could do. Always invest in something, whether it be mining, the stock market, any type of asset, any type of investment. Just don't let your money sit there and deflate in value. Because if you are, I just feel bad for you in the future. Either way, start making some money. Have a good one, guys, and we'll see you soon. Take care.
Jump shot crazy, get him Tyson with the fadeaway. Still got my old school, talking about a Chevrolet. Government fuck 'em, I would never ever obey. Wanna lock us down, stick us up, throw the key away. Propaganda, yeah, I seen it from